What's up, beautiful people? In this video we'll be talking about what you could be or what you may be planning for or goals that you may have for your 2022 garden. Let's go! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 How y'all doing, great people? It's me, Ricky Jones Jr., back again for yet another video. I am excited largely because I get to share with you the different goals and things that I look to do in the garden this year, and things obviously that you will be able to look out for, as well as ask you all what are some things. So start thinking right now, and I'm gonna ask you to drop those things in the comments below. What are some things, some goals, some thoughts, some ideas, some things you want to try in your garden or while gardening this year, okay? And so different things that I want to do. There's two really main things that I want to do is incorporate chickens, okay, in the garden. And you know, it's a new month, and so definitely be on the lookout for the video coming up on Friday, which is gonna have to deal with chickens. But nonetheless, I want to have chickens in the garden, and obviously I'm trying to see like how many I could have, since I do live within the city limits and things like that. So like, you know, all those things have to be considered. But nonetheless, I do want to have chickens. Right now I'm saying I want at least 8 chickens. I said that kind of low because I don't want Crystal to be watching this and maybe get to this part. But anyway, I do want 8 chickens and 8 hens to be more specific, which will be my egg laying chickens, okay? So I do want those in the back. Definitely be on the lookout for the chicken coop build and all those various things that will go into having chickens. But then from there, right, so not only do I want the chickens for the eggs, but chickens do present and bring so many other beneficial qualities, because there is the manure that can be used as compost and as beneficial, things to the garden, as well as the eggs, right? I have some nice, always ready organic eggs, and so it's going to be so much information that comes to this channel due to the chickens being on this channel. But not only do I want to do that, but I also want to, number 2, is learn how to grow microgreens, okay? I've been seeing a lot, reading a lot, and doing a lot of research pertaining to how to grow microgreens, the benefits of microgreens, what are microgreens, and everything in between. It just rhymes, so I just had to do it. But nonetheless, I do want to bring that to the channel, so definitely be on the lookout for that, okay? And even with the gardening business doing what it will do, I'm excited to share those things with you all on this channel as well. But those are my 2 goals, my 2 things that I want to not only bring to the channel, but even learn just for myself. Because what is life if you're not growing, if you're not learning, if you're not experiencing, if you're not achieving different things? It becomes boring, mundane, and not worth living. So learn something new, try something new, give something new a go that you haven't done before, and let us know in the comment section below what are 2 things. We'll just say 2. I said 2. What are your 2 things that you want to do, learn, do, or experience differently in your garden this year, 2022, or whatever year this video finds you? Let us know. This will be one of those videos where I do actually go through all the comments and make comments and things like that. Maybe I will be able to present those different things that you are saying, or if not, I will be able to direct you to the people that are already doing it, okay? So that's why it's beneficial to be a part of a gardening community in which I look to build and foster and allow for people to grow together, learn together, and experiencing garden together, okay? So hey, with that being said, let us know in the comment section, and yeah, I'm excited to see what different things come about in this discussion. So I love you all, I appreciate you all. That's it for today, okay? It's a new month, so let's start it off right with an idea of what we want to do for the year. All right, great people, till next time, peace, love you.